Next one is actually related to WebView implementation. So this vulnerability is actually the WebView client being used inside of your application. So this is something that is really common in a lot of client applications as well that I have personally gone through. So if you go to the view statement class in the JADX GUI, by this time you must have figured out that I have opened the APK file in the JADX GUI application, and if you check the lines from 37 to 46, you may actually check that there is the file exist command, file exist class, and then they are basically loading something slash statements and .html. You can see that there's an extension called as .html. And again, if you read the next line, they have actually enabled JavaScript, which is not cool. So you must be guessing that now there's HTML, now there's JavaScript. You are going to execute something like an XSS. So in order to do that, what we are going to do is, always the application, when it is being developed, it is probably innocent, so it is just doing its work. But we being pen testers, we are going to fiddle around with it. So on the right side on your Genymotion device, log in as the user Jack. You may log in as Dinesh as well, that really doesn't matter. Now if you click on get accounts and then enter any random amount and select transfer, you may see that the transfer is now successful. So this is how you actually decipher going into the application, initially starting off how the application's basic functionality is working. Now if you go on view statement, you can see that there is our new bank transfer that we just did. And now if you go to CMD and open ADB shell or ADB logcat and basically find the string statements, you may see that you have got the following paths to the actual statement that was being created. So if you are confused about a command, you are actually trying to find the string statements in the log of the device. Now you copy the path from here. And if you go inside the device and basically cat the file which was just created, now if you open the command line and use ADB shell and navigate to the SD card, you can see that there's statement jack.html that is saved. Now if you open this, you may get the data as intended, but again it's a HTML file. So what we are going to do is, we are going to create an HTML file and then basically we are going to push it. And in order to do that, let's just open a new text editor, and in that text editor, let's enter a cross-site scripting payload, that is script alert1, and let's open a new text editor and create a statements._jack.html file. And in that HTML file, I want you guys to enter the following payload. Once done, we'll save this file, and now using ADB, we will push this file onto the original path where it was actually being saved. So that's our modified statement_jack.html, and now we are going to push it to the SD card first. Now if you can open this file, you may see that you have got your injected payload inside it. So that was just a quick check. And now if you go to the view statements tab, you can see that there is an XSS. So probably that's it. So what was happening is that there was an insecure data storage again. on the SD card, and what you did was you created a custom statements underscore jack.html with the modified JavaScript code, and you pushed it to the device. And when the innocent user would click on view statements, he would get this pop-up.